of Abraham, you're the God of covenants and faithful promises. Time and time again, you have proven you do just what you say.